Are you a current homeowner or looking to become one soon? Well, the One Big Beautiful Bill Act may have just put some things in your favor. And today we're going to be looking at the changes made around deductibility on mortgage interest and private mortgage insurance payments. So let's jump right in. Now, deducting mortgage interest isn't new, but it's a key piece of what just became permanent. Interest paid on up to $750,000 of acquisition debt, your mortgage or potentially a HELOC, is deductible, and that $750,000 limit is now permanent. And for a HELOC to count, that loan must be used to buy, build, or substantially improve your home, not for other expenses like debt consolidation or vacation. PMI premiums are now deductible. So private mortgage insurance comes in when you go to buy a primary or secondary home and you don't put down 20% to own the property or more. And so the mortgage company has you pay an insurance policy to cover them if you default on the loan. These insurance payments that you're paying have now become deductible, and this will stack on top of your mortgage interest. So homeowners paying PMI now can count both towards your itemized total. So with these changes, where does really the rubber meet the road? What does this mean in practice? Well, if you look at home prices and values where they are today, as well as 6.5% mortgage rates, it's increasingly realistic for mortgage interest plus PMI to add up to more than the standard deduction of $32,200 for married filing jointly. This means itemizing could be back on the table for many homeowners than it's been in years. Now, I'm not going to sit here and tell you with a straight face that this is suddenly a great reason to start paying PMI, but it does take some of the sting out of it. I've said this before. The real case for PMI was never the tax break. It's that it lets you hold on to more of your cash you can keep liquid, put to work, instead of pouring into your home equity. Equity that's hard to access and isn't exactly doing anything for you while it just sits there. If you're thinking about buying a home, trying to figure out the right down payment, how much to keep versus how much to put down, let's run the numbers together. I'll be glad and honored to sit down with you. Schedule a call using the link in the description below. Next time, we're going to continue on our series and look at the deductibility on car loans, another piece of this bill that could change how you think about your next vehicle purchase. We'll see you then.